It's a pop rock from ABBA, where your left hand have the groove of 1 and ba, 1 and ba, ba. This song is G major key, where you have 1 sharp, which is F sharp. Start from B. Your position is G position. Start from B. 2, 3. 2. This rhythm we call it tika tika and B. Move. Back to your G position. 2, 3. 2, 3. Tika tika B. And you move below middle C, which is a B. And the rhythm is T tika tika tita. So clap first. T tika tika tita. And your letter only B and D and E. And you start B tika tika T E. Similar thing. B tika tika and on B. This B, change finger to number 3 to A, B, A, B. Move to D. Move to G. Move to D. Move to high G. Back to your F sharp, use number 2. Double, the melody is B, A, A. Same melody, add your thumb on D sharp, B, A, A, B, to G. Same thing, the melody is F sharp, thumb on C, F, G, G. Hold your thumb, F, G, G. Move to high G. Back to your A. Move to high G. Finish on G chord. Let's combine together. G chord, B, ba, ba 6, and ba, at the 5th, and ba, 6, at the 5th, and ba, 6, and ba, 6. Now, this one, they are very close. If you go like this side by side, you're not gonna make it. So one on top of each other. So right hand inside, left hand outside. From B to C and ba, ba, B, move to E, go to D and 4, D and 4, go to A, D, E, move to G, go to A minor chord, go down, G, F sharp, rest, play the same thing, to G chord, change finger to 3 and 5 so that you can go up to 4, to 5th, move to 4th, back to 3rd, 4th, 3rd, change finger to 2 and 1 so that you can go down one by one until your pinky. This pinky D change to number 3 because when it go down to B, find your E minor chord, C sharp, C natural, go to A, go back to your G chord, 4th, 3rd, 4th, G, and you spread like butter from left to right. So left to right. Popular song, normally if it's chord based, you can put pedal on each chord. Just be very careful. There is no pedal on the rest. For example, bar 12, rest off. We don't want anything lingering. And also bar 13, if you want to change, you change to 2 times, or you can go on bar 13, on, off your pedal, on, off. Remember ladder, we shouldn't put pedal. This is a ladder, up and down ladder, you don't put pedal. And this, because we need to change to D, E, E, and it's such a short time to change, so you can use on, off, on the pedal, on, off, on, change. Remember, this is a ladder, you have to change one by one. And this D, E, F is also a ladder. If it's too much changing, you can just leave it and not using it. Remember, rest, no pedal. 1, 2, 3, start. In here, you have to see where is the singing line, where's the instrumental line. For example, the intro, this is the instrumental line, and there will be something that punches the line out, which is every this, which you have to push it out to make it highlighted and it's loud. So everything that have accent sign, you have to push it out. For example, going to the chorus part in bar 18, you also need to push to get into it. If you know the song, please sing the song while you play, as it will help you to shape the song. Every time the singing line starts, for example, the first, you always start speaking volume nice and gentle. Only when you get up to chorus, you get louder. Ready, set, go.